Living life till I die in the nighttime. I've been quite high trying to find my mind. Feeling low like my eyesight. For the right price you could get high. Step a line shine. She was pretty cool for the time. She was like my whole life. Something on my mind. Really wasn't her though. Now I'm screaming fuck up out of her hoe. Funny how the tides of fucking turn though. You done did me dirty. Sipping on this 40. Fly away no birdie. No longer my shawty. You just gotta leave him. I just gotta breathe in. Kept you different seasons. Now I'm fucking leaving. Yo. Take a couple shots when she asked our hands. That leaves my music. What a fucking bitch. Sitting in the chairs. There's a bag on too. Fuck that little cash. Screaming Mayday, this lady gon' drive me crazy. Need a vacate for 4 weeks, won't bring no lady. Just some hoes with the go who really don't need me. Finna party, but Cardi be all on me. Screaming Mayday, this lady gon' drive me crazy. Need a vacate for 4 weeks, won't bring no lady. Just some hoes with the go who really don't need me. Finna party, but Cardi be all on me.
Good morning.
So I need a ice pick, flyer than a rocket cause I'm flying really high pitch. When I give a dick I hear my name is at a high pitch. I've been working hard, this on the brothers gotta die.
So unreleased music, dude.
Make your mama quite rich, working all the time but I know I'm just finna die shit. Took a couple shots when she asked our hands. That leaves my music, what a fucking bitch. Sitting in the chair with a bag on me. For that little cash she released. Screaming Mayday, this lady gon' drive me crazy. Need a vacate for 4 weeks, won't bring no lady. Just some hoes with the go who really don't need me. Finna party, but Cardi be all on me. Screaming Mayday, this lady gon' drive me crazy. Need a vacate for 4 weeks, won't bring no lady. Just some hoes with the go who really don't need me. Finna party, but Cardi be all on me.
Right.
Celebrate the set of fate, meditate, what a beautiful way that we paved, that we gave, everything that we made. No more gray, only sun, what a beautiful way. Yeah. I got a couple reasons life is picture perfect. I made a couple enemies, but friends, hell, heavenly. Bright as the sun, energy, tight as a bond's chemistry. We got a good dream, plotting visions to me. No second guessing on the board, we take our shots as a team. Jotting thoughts, states of mind, who am I, who's we? I got connected with the crew, got no screw loose like voodoo. Do everything we choose to, say seance like prayer. A crucial stay tailor, make moves, judging mayor. My peers, all my players, rather dying for my life. The women keep me fighting different demons in my life, turning shadows into dreams, tobacco blowing off the steam. I got a couple different habits, vision blurry when a fiend. To be unsettling the most, to feel like elegance to me. I got the precedence to seek another rock new high. Might be arrogance, but after rock I feel so fly. Put the emphasis on eloquent, the sentence ends with meaning. Never speaking on demeanor, madness creeping away from demons. After running, chasing evil, far from heavenly gates. I gotta catch up with my heroes, these the ways that I've
You
changed.
see me on the other side, shining off the things I like, kind of shit the ladies like, living on the other side. You see me on the other side, shining off the things I like, kind of shit the ladies like, living on the other
got some pain I amuse. Dive into my inner conscious, not just from these pain styles, lies, so I'm better than bank to feel excellent. Yeah, I feel excellent. I say these days got reason.
You can't find these songs, man. They're only on my stream.
Progress for to see it, so shouts to regime. I say shouts to the beams. I move quick, move with speed. I move bricks, move with ease. Can I fuck with a dream? I got it wrong with precision, got a difficult living, but focus up on the vision. I focus up on the rhythm and breathe. Focus up on decisions. I focus up with ambition. I focus up on my villains and lead.
Alright. Give me a second here. I'm gonna turn on my camera and whatnot. Right. Good morning. My brain is scattered. I have different glasses on. They just came in the mail, so they have to be adjusted, but I'm wearing them. Charts. So my brain is absolutely all over the place, and I wouldn't even be able to tell you the trades I took today. I am working on a new strategy. And I was live testing it today. I was doing a couple ideas on it yesterday. It seemed to be working in a couple back tests quickly. So I'm doing the live tests just to check to see how it runs live. Making it very confusing for my brain. My brain is very, very confused. Essentially what it is my regular strategy that I use, but I wanted faster entries. I didn't want to wait for retests. I wanted to essentially get into the trade the second that it's reversing. I'm trying to get instant trades. And then it'd be the same logic about how everything's going, and then I would wait for the retest, and then I would enter again on the same setup. So, one day of live testing is not obviously enough, but it gave me a little bit of a picture here, and I lost a little bit of money, and it helped me with some things. But there is just massive amounts of setups here today because of it, I think, and maybe I'm just getting a little confused. I was doing it on lower time frames and whatnot as well. But the focus was EG and the Aussie today. That's what I took trades on. I was also checking out other things, UCAD, USwiss. I think I took a USwiss long here. Euro, USD, we missed out on this move. Decided not to take the retest. Things like this. EG, reason we wanted to get in short here was looking for this liquidity hunt here. Was trying to get in short here. Was trying to get in short here. And I was just looking for some confirmations that would allow me to do that. Now it's a little bit confusing. Essentially what I was hoping for is one of these moves to essentially break down. We would be taking our profit, and then we'd come back for the retest, and then it would break down again, and we would enter again. So I'm trying to double my profit, essentially. I'm making a strategy that we could use one zone where I can take a profit, retest, and then take a profit again. So we'd literally be making twice as much. That's the idea behind what I'm trying to do here. Other one, we took some Aussie. We're trying to short the Aussie here. Similar idea. We had some highs here. We had equal high. We broke it a couple times. We're trying to short this. Trying to short that the first time again and try to short it. and then a retest and short. Now just trying to see. I had shorted here and then got stopped out, and then we just re-entered after that. This was obviously a stop hunt on that. So we're trying to figure out how to ensure that this is the actual pullback, and I have a lot of ideas, and I think I'm doing it. Yeah, it's really cool. I came up with this idea. I wanted the same logic. I want the same setups. I want to use the exact same searching mechanism for trades. And I'm gonna call once I can for sure lock this in as profit. Right now I had to do 1 day of live testing, throw some trades up light risk. Once I can for sure say that this is profit, I will be calling it the stalker method. My current profitable system is the predator method, because stalking is what you do before you attack like a predator. Right, so it's the precursor. Right, so what do we want to look at here today? Because I can't really talk too much about my trades. This is going to be something that eventually I will completely not really give away, because it is absolutely ridiculous if I can pull this off. But I started thinking about it yesterday. Let's look at this chart. It took me about 3 hours of staring at patterns. That's not a chart, bro. Look at GU. So what we're hoping for here is this one to continue to break down. I've already taken some profit off after I saw that move right there. Ideally we want to there's nothing for this has all been tested all the way up. There's no levels. This is the only level right here, and it's been hit now. So we took some profit at that level. The next level is right here. All right. GU. Didn't really look at GU today. So it looks like this level got hit. We're finally back into this demand area. We said that was going to get hunted. Of course it did. EG maybe sweeping high now. Yeah, fuck it, man. I traded EG so many times today. Oh, this would make sense, wouldn't it? Traded EG like 3 times today. I can't take any more trades on it. I don't allow myself to do more than 3 in one trade, even if it's half risk. 3 is the absolute maximum. Oops. GU, what we would like to see is this level coming back up. All right, and we'll go finish. All right, yeah. Okay, so we want to see the momentum shift here now, because that was equal lows. We might be able to get some longs on GU, actually, if it does come back up here. We can say that this was actually touched right here, too. All right, so that's actually quite a few lows there. A lot of stops behind that level. Most likely, if it'll reverse here, and then we'll get a retest. What's wrong here? Let's look at this chart. I'm gonna keep this stream short again, because my brain is absolutely scattered from seeing so much shit. I'm fucking dazed. Went snowboarding today though. That was really cool. It was a lot of fun. My wrist hurts from falling, but it's fine. What's wrong here? You're asking what's wrong here. This is Aussie CAD. What's wrong here? Well, you're super zoomed out here. Aussie CAD. I'm not sure what you're trying to do. You're just shorting for no reason right now. That's what's wrong here. In my opinion, I don't see any reason to short this. Okay. Yeah, it just seems like a random trade to me. AU short now. You want to short AU now? I mean, I'm already running a short. The only thing that's bothering me with AU right now is we've just swept this low, right? But I've already entered a short. So we took our profit off after we've hunted those lows, right? But this is a relatively low time frame. We have higher time frame action going on here, right? More highs being left there. Yeah, you said that this hit the stop loss. Well, of course it did. You just shorted randomly for no reason. You don't have, I don't know, you don't have any logic here. You just said that this started going this way, so you shorted the retest. There's no logic that I can see. And this chart is way too zoomed out for me to see anything. Like, there's no structure being made here. You just said that this is a random high. And then, I don't know. I just don't understand it at all. You think AO is going to go up? Maybe. It's definitely possible. EJ short. Sorry guys, I'm pretty slow here. I'm just like paying attention to a lot of stuff. Yeah, that's a good hourly short setup. Yeah, EJ is a good short setup. Yeah. I just want to see here. Liquidity move. I think it'll, yeah, it should come back up to this area. It would be wise to look for a short on this, yeah. Your take profits would obviously be this low, right? Once you get into a short, you're gonna take profit there. And then you're gonna maybe take some profit at these lows and here or here, one of those two. Maybe half and half of it. Maybe 25 and 25, right? Something like that. If you are to be able to get short. I don't have anything to talk about, guys. I don't have anything to talk about here today. I don't want to even keep looking at charts even. That's the thing. My fucking brain is fried, man. Right. AU. We've already kind of talked about this. UCAD. We were looking for, this is something just so that you guys can kind of notice here. We had equal lows here, right? Nice range. Rallied up. It was obviously going to be hunted. It got hunted and rallied here, right? But reason I didn't take a long on this retest here, right, is because I saw that that sweep actually created another equal low, so I knew that that was going to get hunted. Right. So that got hunted. So, you know, if it does rally super strong, we might be able to get a trade, but not particularly looking for that. Let's talk about your feelings. Yeah, I'm doing well, man. I'm fucking stressed all the time, but that's why I try to keep fucking busy with everything else. Do a bunch of shit outside of work. How's this trade? It's always, how's the trade, Hunter? Never, how are you, Hunter? Yeah, that's funny. Yeah, doing alright. Doing alright. Just fucking trying to figure shit out, man. There's a lot going on. Trying to friggin' make some money here. Alright, you Swiss. This was a trade I also wasn't sure of, just because it went back and forth a lot. And you can see you Swiss, we had range tops here in Asia, and we swept it, and we targeted those lows, right? Now, I noticed that we also swept it this way, right? So I was actually trading this back and forth, but then I started getting confused more and more because more and more things got nested, and I just don't want to go into it. But you know, when there's like so many conflicting different angles, like basically you have sells and then buys, and you have different setups going in both directions. So there was just a point where there's like too much shit going on that I was like, okay, I don't want to buy this anymore. So I think I took this long and then stopped, but you could go here, you could go a couple times, and then there's a short right here, right? So if we look at this, just so you guys know, you have these highs, right? And then you have the sweep, and then it breaks down. So you could have taken a short here, and then it hits that level, and it sweeps these lows and goes to the long. But then you see that there was equal highs here, so you're like, okay, that's a take profit. So you take profit here, let some run, but you got stopped out, right? And then it comes back down here. That's a retest after this sweep, right? So this was our original long. This was a retest, and then it rallied. This would have been a rejection, so you take profit here off of this angle, right? I don't know if you guys are following this, right? Because oops, this would have been the retest of this short, right? So you'd have to take profit here, and then the same thing happened on this trade, right? This was the retest of this short, and then this was the retest of this long, right? So you have to take profit back and forth, and then you get back up here, and you're like, okay, wait, what the fuck is going on? This was the previous high, so you take profit around here because it could sweep it, and then it comes back down here, and then it fucking swept that angle. So where the fuck? Oh my god, that's a super fucking confusing setup, and I think I took like 3 trades on it, but now and then I was just like, what the fuck is going on? I can't do this shit anymore. And this is just what completely blew my mind today. We're following Nick FX. Yeah, thanks, man. Where's the cat? He's sleeping in the bathroom. He likes to sleep in the bathroom sometimes. It's kind of weird. Yeah. So this one fucking blew my mind. Because I was doing my new method where essentially each setup has 2 trades, right? So you have the initial short, and then you have the retest short. And then this one's the original long, the retest long, and then this one also had an original short, and then the retest short. And this one short, retest short. This right here is the retest actually of this one shorting. But this one also swept here, so you don't know which way it's gonna go. Ah, man. This is like the most fucking confusing chart I've ever seen that I fully understand. There are some charts that I just have like no idea what the fuck is going on, but this is like, I know exactly what's happening in both directions, and it's just so fucking confusing. Alright guys, I wanna just like focus on my trade here. Yeah, it's basically scalping. I don't like trades like that because then you have to take large amounts off at the retest areas, right? So like if this is the short and you're trying to long it back up, then you have to take a large amount off here just in case this continues down, right? So you can't actually get like a very good R, right? Because this is your R, this is your target. You're only getting like 1 R usually. I just drew a domino basically. Right, guys. I basically just want to watch my trade here. I don't think I can trade anymore today. I don't think I can look at charts anymore. That was the most trading I've done in a long time. So I'm gonna wrap it up here nice and early. If this stream wasn't just like fucking useless, throw me a like there. But I know that was probably kind of like a confusing stream. Because I'm a little bit fucking confused too. But I posted a new video, guys. It's actually a good video. Finding trading strategies. Teaches you how you can find trading strategies. There's a really cool way that I've kind of noticed in there. You guys check it out on the channel. I'll see you guys next time.
Tripping for days in the grip, then I lost her. Sipping my whiskey, but asking for wilder. Decisions been made, I'll be fucking about everything. Let her recline, I'll be thinking about leveraging. Why did I wind down a guy but his enemy? Zion is coming, but devil's ahead of me. Found the divine, but the demons got chemistry. Waited for days, but the angel got jealousy. Never came, but it's time for the change anyway. I be stuck in my prime. Celebrate a sinner when I'm bored, mate. She a lame for the play like a board game.
Things ain't the same, and she knows that I blow up when I get on that drink. Makes me insane, so I float, blowing smoke, changing lanes. I'm a dip, babe.
Lane switch, I flip my ways. It's guilt been built, but I feel okay. I trip, I slip, contradict my way. Celebrate days that I feel okay. Demons be laughing on top of my shoulders. They sinning and smiling, new days I get older. Suppose I be colder, suppose I'm supposed to be focused on scheming and making that goals. Bye to the days I'm cray. Goddamn, my life don't like to change. And I pipe that dream through me, I say. Can't quite redeem, every night she wait. Make a decision, the life that we live in. My vision is set and I move with precision. A man on a mission, I fly to the moon. Float out of orbit, a comet, I zoom out of well with the energy. I'm my own entity, medicine remedy. Living with ecstasy, write my own destiny. Pack on its own, built with a team, I got no room for you. Sharing no piece of my prize motivation. Got pride renovated, we excavating. The states of our mind that be elevating. Cut corners like Bishop, the queen had no wisdom. Replacing my comfort with pleasure and women. On top of the linen, the jealousy killed her. Demons gon' fill her, run with no filter. Listen to Miller, progress every day.
Things ain't the same, and she knows that I blow up when I get on that drink. Makes me insane, so I float, blowing smoke, changing lanes. I'm a dip, babe. Things ain't the same, and she knows that I blow up when I get on that drink. Makes me insane, so I float, blowing smoke, changing lanes.